great, and that tie,
Oh, thank you, kids. I'm just glad we can all be together for the holiday. I feel like it's been ages since we were all together. When do you think the last time we were all together as a family was?
I think it was Christmas last year. Remember, we all went out caroling, we came back inside, and we played pretty good and I won.
Ah, you're right, son. We really need to make sure we get together more often.
Hey, you know what?
What?
I think it's time for the annual Thanksgiving Day Scrabble.
Oh, you're going down!
I'm not sure about this.
What do you mean? This is always so much fun.
I just don't know. I mean, I don't really feel comfortable saying this because it's your family and all, but every time I've seen you guys play board games, things don't turn out so well.
Oh, you're being silly. We get along great.
Mark, I really don't think I want to play.
What? You don't want to play? Oh, come on, sweetie. You'll have a great time on the side. This will give you a chance to get to know our family better. It's Scrabble. It's a family tradition.
All right, I don't want to ruin anybody's fun. I'm just
All right, come on, let's play. Come on, here we go.
All right, because we got 6 people, we're going to have to team up. So how about me and Mom, and Mark and Julia, and Claire and Lizzie on a sister-sister team. Sound good?
Yeah.
How about I'll be on my team and Lizzie will be on her own team. Is that cool with you, Liz?
Yeah, sounds good.
Gonna kick your ass anyway.
Nothing. Okay, so who wants to start?
Well, I'll start. I mean, we'll start. We'll start. I got a good one here. Mirror. That's 22 points. Off to a good start, huh? Check it out, sweetie. See what you can do with that.
Okay. Ranch. R-A-N-C-H. That's 12 points. Not bad.
Claire.
Right, my turn.
Oh. Ranch. With the B on your branch for branch. 15 points.
Oh, that's a good word, honey.
Our little girls are so smart.
No, they're not. That's so lame when someone puts one letter in front of someone else's word to try and get a ton of points.
What are you talking about, Mark? That's how you play the game. I'm just playing the game.
Oh, no, I know. I'm just saying, what, you're not smart enough to come up with a whole other word on your own? But think of anything on your own. I mean, I came up with my own word.
Yeah, you started the game.
Whatever.
Our turn.
My turn. Okay, let's see. What do we do here?
Oh, I got it. All right. Horcrux. Horcrux, that's 40 points.
Mom, that's not an actual word.
Oh, yes, it is. Yes, it certainly is. I read it in Harry Potter.
Yeah, that's because it's a made-up word. J.K. Rowling made it up for her book. You can't use words like that in Scrabble.
You need to learn to respect your elders, Lizzie. You've always had a problem with that. Now, it's Mark and Julia's turn. Let's just let them go.
Why is that 40 points in that ass? We need a crucified here. Oh, no. I'm just kidding, sweetie. Come on, what's our move?
Okay, how about Sphinx? That's 54 because I landed on a triple word.
Yeah, that's fine.
Super. Now Mark and Julia have a ton of points because Mom used a stupid made-up word.
My word is not made up. I read it in a book, and that is good enough.
Yeah, a kid's book. Good job, Mom. That's real top-notch literature.
I'll take it back. I'll just...
No, you can't. That word kicks ass. Besides, everyone else is going down.
Yeah, Julia, just keep on playing. I mean, I'm going to keep on playing the game, even if everybody else wants to cheat. Oh, shit, that's interesting coming from you.
What's that supposed to mean?
Oh, nothing. On my turn, I'll use the S from Julia's Sphinx and S-L-U-T. Mom, Dad.
What? It's a good word, honey.
I didn't mean anything by it, don't worry.
All right, that's fine.
Okay, oh, U-G-L-Y. Ugly.
Go, our turn.
Our turn. All right. Oh, I see one. Yep. There we go. L-O-T. Lot.
What? What? Oh, that's the best you can do. Well, you could have at least asked me for help before putting that word down.
Why, that's a fine word.
Oh, yes, it's a fine word for 3 points. 3. It's a 3-letter word, honey. The purpose of Scrabble is to use big words with lots of letters. Do you understand the rules of Scrabble?
Well, I was just doing the best with the letters that we had.
Oh, well, of course, I think this gives us all a pretty good hint as to why you lost your job.
What the hell do you mean?
I think I'm going to go get a glass of
No, no, you can't. It's our turn next.
What the hell do you mean that's why I lost my job?
Oh, well, college. Clearly, if you had gone to college and gotten yourself a decent education, you would have known a better word to put down on the Scrabble board. And you would have been smart enough to keep your job. You see, look at my word. Poor Christ. I went to college.
You went to culinary school!
Oh, I got one. Supercilious. Supercilious. That's a big one. Check it out, Julia. Who's got the mad skills now, bitches?
Mark, supercilious, that's 11 letters. How'd you get 11 letters?
I didn't use 11 letters.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you
No, I
did.
didn't. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. No, I didn't.
Supercilious! 11 letters, goddammit! You're such a cheater! Oh, once again, interesting choice of words, Lizzie. What are you mumbling about? I don't know, nothing. My turn. H-U-S-S-Y. Let's see.
Good one, Claire.
You know what? I got one. C-R-A-C-K. Crack. Pretty nice one, Claire, huh? We all know that you like crack.
Our turn! Ooh, let's see here. I got a good one.
Oh, really? All right.
P-R-U-D-E, prune. And I spelled it right, too.
Well, yes, you did. That's a good word. How have you been reading books?
Oh, yeah, I've been increasing my vocabulary over the past 6 years, you know, at night. In bed, when I haven't got anything better to do. In bed, at night. You know exactly what I'm talking about, Ice Queen.
Everyone shut up. I'm trying to concentrate, for fuck's sake. All right. Oh, I got it. Pizzazz. That's worth 96 points. A triple letter word score, too. What's up now? Ladies and gentlemen, I have an announcement to make. Let's get ready to suck it! Suck it!
Mark, you used 4 Z's. There's only 1 Z in Scrabble, goddammit! Does anybody else care about this? Is everybody else retarded? Yeah, they're all stupid because they got syphilis of the brain because they're all W-H-O-R-E-S. Oh no, that's just you. You're fucking nuts. Well, if I'm nuts, why don't you just suck on me? Because you seem to like doing math. You know what? I'm going to ignore that. It's probably just the crack talking. Let me think here. Oh, D-R-U-G-G-I-E. Crackhead.
Our turn.
Our turn.
All right. I think I got a good one this time,
Oh,
honey.
please. Oh.
Leave it up to me. All right. D-E-G-R-E-E. Degree. Oh, wait a second, honey. Maybe I shouldn't have put that one down. Oh, does that hurt your feelings, honey? Degree? Because you haven't got one.
Gee, I sure hope that genius job you have pays a hell of a lot of money to pay for all the porn I've had to order.
Lamp, everybody. I got lamp.
Oh, Leon, that reminds me how Lizzie got my boyfriend! Probably because he was tired of your cracked out bitching.
Well, maybe if you had gone to school, you could have done something valuable with your life and you wouldn't have gotten laid off.
Well, maybe I'd have something to work for if my wife didn't have such a frosty vagina.
Well, maybe it's because I'm not attracted to a man who's so uneducated and stupid that he can't even support the family. Well, I got to fuck the garbage guy. At least he has a job.
Good, do it. Just make sure you have a paramedic on hand for
Just take a look around you. This is awful. Mark, honey, this is a really ugly side of you. You need to learn how to be a better sport. We're all playing the game together. We're not out to kill each other. Verbal abuse is not the answer. You need to learn how to support each other and the life choices you make. Look at this wonderful family you've raised. Maybe you need to seek out some professional help to work through your troubles instead of letting them harboring them inside and taking out on each other in such terrible ways. Communication is the key to a healthy relationship. Lizzie, you have to learn to say you're sorry for hurting Claire. Sisters can have such a wonderful bond, and it's so sad to see you sneaking around behind her back, betraying her with her boyfriend. And Claire, sweetie, you gotta get off the crack. I think we all just need to calm down and think before we speak and stop always fighting. We have a lesson to learn here, and that lesson is respect and love. You're so right.
Yeah, I guess we did all get a little carried away there, didn't we?
I feel really silly about all of this.
Yeah, me too. Me too. Hey, you know what might cheer us all up?
What?
How about a game of Monopoly?